My name's Andy Birch, my graffiti name is Down One. So I paint graffiti art and mural work, and I run workshops with community projects. So this is a painting that we've done with Holywell Town Council, and we're brightening up an area on an underpass in the town centre. So I've been working with young people from a local school. We've done 4 days on this project. First day we did the preparation, where we primed the walls and cleaned them and then added a masonry coat. And then after that, the day 2, 3 and 4 was the spray painting part, the fun bit that the kids have loved. So yeah, we had the young people involved, colouring in, taking their ideas and putting them onto the wall. And we've used places of local interest and historical value to Holywell Town. So we've added them as little features to the mural that people can identify with and recognise from the community.
My name's Linda Corbett. I'm the current mayor of Holywell. I'd just like to speak to you all about this amazing work that's been done. We've got the schools involved with the children, who we've been working with for the past 9 months or so with other projects. I just think it's amazing, and to have all these youths involved in it, they're so proud of what they've done. I've spoke to some of them individually, and I'm so proud of them as well for doing this. And it's just so wonderful to be a part of it all, and for all the support we've had with the staff and the council and all the other agencies within the area with bringing it all together and the children together. It's given them a sense of being and community. You know, to come out and do this for your community. Wonderful, wonderful, and they all are proud.
Initially, from my angle as a graffiti artist, it's getting young people involved in a fun project and painting graffiti in an area and in a way that is legal. They're not going to get in trouble for it. So it's taking that creative energy, channel it into the right place and the right project, and hopefully it gives them the incentive then to have a little bit of ownership and a bit of pride in the community. But also perhaps get involved with an art project that maybe they didn't think they were capable of doing before.
The overall benefit is we've got this, it's showing all our history, it's showing everything we've got all in one place. It brightens the whole area up. It's just brilliant, it really is.
I'm Hannah from Refurbs, and we are doing a lantern parade tonight. It's called Light Up Our Town, and it's to celebrate the creativity of Buckley. It's all about sustainability and to celebrate Buckley itself. So the lantern parade's been made possible thanks to the UK Shared Prosperity Fund, which has been administered by Flintshire County Council, and they've allowed us to hire an artist to create some really big feature lanterns that celebrate Buckley and represent Buckley. We've got a Buckley stag and we've got the Buckley Town Clock, which the mayor and the local councillors will be carrying, and it's enabled us to do workshops in the local community and across schools. We've visited all 3 of the local primary schools, and there's been over 400 lanterns made with the children of Buckley.
I've been to 3 schools, 3 primary schools. We had about 100 each in the schools, all the different classes. And we went to Marleyfield Nursing Home, worked with the residents there. The school came along and helped out. We went to New Dragon's Speech and Language Club in Mould, working with a group of autistic children, which was a lovely evening. And we've done quite a few workshops here as well. So overall we've worked with about 400 people in the community to get people up and going and working with sustainable lanterns. They're important because it just brings people together. It brings people to come together to have something nice, and I think the fact that we're making it out of sustainable materials and recycled goods, we've made it so that it's things you can do at home, it's things that are cheap and cheerful, and it's gonna light up hopefully and make everybody happy.
So in the parade tonight we have the local councillors and Emma Priest, the mayor. We've also got the local veterans community club, and they meet here at the Repair and Reuse Centre with cafe on once a month. We've got the local cadets, St John's, and then all the children that have been in the workshops have been invited along to come and walk in the parade as well.